Hello and welcome to DIY STEM with Miss Sandra. I hope you all are staying safe and you are washing your hands. For this week's experiment, we are going to experiment with water, but we want to see how water moves from one glass to the next glass using paper towels. So here are the materials that you're gonna need before you proceed. You're going to need paper towels. You're going to need 5 cups or 5 glasses. And once again, I like to make sure that they're clear so I can see it. And in this case, we are doing color, so we would like to see the color that is being produced. The third thing that you're gonna need is food coloring. And the fourth thing, of course, is the water. Now that we have all our materials ready, we are ready to do this experiment. Challenge to you is to do the experiment, but this time we're going to actually wait a little bit. We want to wait a little longer than 1 hour. Maybe give it 3 hours before checking in on the glasses or the cups. Now, to do this, what we're going to do is we want to see if more water will move to the other glasses or to the middle of the other glasses, and if the water will stop moving once it gets to the middle for all of them. So we want to look at the equality, so how equal it is, right? And then the other thing that we want to look for is the colors that you end up making. So with the food coloring, it can be any colors that you would like, but we also want to check out what colors you're making. Overall, with this challenge, what we do want to see is to see if all the cups have been filled with the same amount of water. Now, we always ask ourselves after every experiment, what's the science behind it? Well, the water appears to defy gravity, as we see, but in reality, it actually moves because of a process called capillary action. Capillary action is the ability of a liquid to flow upward against gravity, usually in narrow spaces. This is the same thing that we usually see when it comes to plants. So capillary action actually helps water climb from the plant's roots all the way to the top of the leaves of the tree, which I find very cool. We're probably wondering what kind of forces are pushing these capillary actions. Well, in our experiment, the adhesive forces between the water and the paper towel are stronger than the cohesive forces in the actual water. As a result, the water travels up and across the paper towel out of one of the glasses into another glass, and it repeats itself. So that is only happening because of these forces. That ends our experiment for today. Thank you so much for joining me today. And once again, if you have any wonderful ideas or any cool projects that you would like for me and your peers to try out, please email me at sansong@bgcc.org. As always, please stay home, wash your hands, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you.